All right, one of the popular things in calculus, and I do it just like most college professors, is I tell you to set up, but do not integrate an area of a region. And again, it's just getting back to that. You know that you could find the area between two curves by doing the integral from a to b of the upper curve. Okay, the upper curve minus the lower curve dx. All right, and that'll be the area between the curves. So that's the formula. But you have to decide often is what the upper and lower curves are. X equals 1 and 4 are easy. That gives you the limit of integration, right? And you don't have to be perfect. So when you have problems like this, we don't want to waste time with the parabola, which you should recognize, trying to figure out where exactly in Carmen Sandiego it is, all right? If I do the parabola, we all should be able to see that the y-intercept is negative 16. X squared is positive, so it opens upward. Well, if that's negative 16 and opens upward, it's going to look something like this. And I don't even care if it's perfect or not, all right? I just know it's way down here. And when I look at the next line, 1/4 x plus 11, we realize that's a line that's shallow, but way up there. So all you need to know to set this up is which is the upper curve and which is the lower curve. Obviously, 1/4 x plus 11 is the upper curve, and x squared minus 4x minus 16 is the lower. So then to set up the area of the region, we simply set up our integral from 1 to 4. And again, maybe I should highlight so we all see it. The area of this region is right here. All right? So to get the integral, we just go from 1 to 4 of the upper curve. And I typically don't, if I'm going to set up, I typically just do it this way. Minus the lower curve dx. And that's all I would do. One of the common mistakes I see students make, you got to be real careful. I'm okay with you not having parentheses, but then you got to make sure that your sign distributes to all the terms. Often students have the wrong signs on the following terms here, okay? So again, I would do this one, but I take this one as long as it's done correctly. If I want to integrate this, I would combine like terms, and then I would do the antiderivative. But we just set up a integral that will give the area of the region between those two curves.